Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make a Tanjiro text mockup effect in Photoshop. First of all, create your text using the vertical type tool and type your desired word. After typing, use the rectangle tool to create a vertical background shape behind the text. Now create a new layer, select the paint bucket tool, and fill the rectangle with yellow color or any color you prefer. Next, go to Settings, choose Pixels, and create a mask for the text. Now create another new layer, then go to File, Place Embedded, and select an image you want to apply inside your text. Now press Ctrl+T, select Distort. Lower the opacity of image, make easy adjustment. And adjust the image perfectly around the text area to match its perspective. After finishing the placement, increase the opacity. Now, use the lasso tool to make a selection around your subject. Press Ctrl+J to make copy. Now create a clipping mask of that. Once the selection is done, select your text mask layer and move it slightly upward for better alignment. Now, go to the blending options. Enable drop shadow to give it depth. Then go to stroke, press twice to open the setting. Choose a color that fits the vibe, for example, a dark blue, any color that you prefer for stroke text. And that's it. You've just created a Tanjiro text mockup effect in Photoshop.